Alvina Usher, your Ottawa real estate expert. I would like to present to you my new listing at 390 Rolling Meadows Crescent. Spacious, filled with lights, with your own parking spot that can accommodate the electrical car. For less money that you pay for rent, you can own this beautiful flat. Can accommodate a young family, first buyers, or downside. Let's go and see it inside. Welcome home. Rarely in a flat condo you will have such a spacious, nice foyer. 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, very spacious kitchen with the island that can accommodate a nice evening with friends. We also have a beautiful dining room. Appliances included in this unit are washer and dryer, refrigerator, microwave, hood fan, oven, and also a dishwasher. Spacious living room and tall 9-foot ceiling makes this living room filled with light. Lots of light from the outside. It is a very cozy space open to the dining room and to the kitchen. Behind me is 2 bedroom and 2 bathrooms. We have a parking outside. Beautiful and spacious balcony right off your living room. Behind me, you have plenty of visitor parking for your friends, and it is also a very rare that in such a complexes with condos, you have lots of visitor parking.